Hello, my dear. Maybe you are facing a problem like you may see here. My Word and Excel and other icons have been changed. So why is it actually happening? Maybe a software is already been installed without your permission. So the software name is WPS. How to back to the oldest thing like what you wanted to see as your office is installed here. So simply go to the control panel. After searching from here, just type control panel and go here. After finding the control panel, find out programs and features. So sometimes it can be hidden. Okay, like if you see this, expand it, or otherwise just simply go to the install a program, or you can large this icon and then click on program and features and simply go the downstairs and find out WPS Office and simply install this on by double clicking and simply click on yes. This may take a moment because they do not actually want to be installed because they are being installed without giving you any notification. So simply just click on uninstall and both these things will be removed from your laptop or computer. This might be a big issue for some people because it's unknown to us and we are not using such kind of things, which is called WPS Office. Though some people feel yes, it's really easy to use, but believe me, who are habituated to use Microsoft Word, Excel, they do not use such kind of things, which is almost similar to vulnerable. So thank you again. Now you may see the icons have already been changed. Okay, and if you click here, then you will be able to edit as before. So it is the thing, or this is the video what I wanted to show you. Thank you so much for watching this one. I hope you have got your solution. And if you need any help regarding any tech issues, don't be late and let me know. I will be there to help you. Thank you.